Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 94 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. In the course of the discussion, it has been very ably pointed out by a large number of speakers as to how the rubber industry is in the grip of certain foreign elements and Indian monopolists at the top. We know that there are small planters and producers, but the hold of the Dunlop company was also mentioned. So far as the big industries are concerned, it has been their policy to capitalize the money and to put money in the reserve fund instead of utilizing such funds and profits for improvement of the working classes and for the betterment of the laborers. It was pointed out yesterday that the Dunlop company gave very high dividends. You will be shocked to know that while the company had money to declare a dividend of 40% and also to capitalize a part of the profits, it did not give at all a fair deal to the workers. On the contrary, they were kept at more or less the same old level where they had a kind of labor. Practically speaking, therefore, it becomes necessary to look into this matter. Sir, we are interested in the increase in production, and everybody is interested in the increase in production. The production of rubber, coffee, or of any other essential commodities or imported commodities must undoubtedly be increased in the country, but merely by appointing a board or by taking certain powers into the government's hands or investing the board with such powers, you cannot ensure increase in production. There may be slight improvement here and there, but materially you cannot alter the situation until and unless you inspire the real producers by making them see through their own lives experience that increase of production means a constant rise in their standard of living, in their material and cultural well-being. Now, that is why I say that it is very essential when the board is really being given certain powers to looking after the interests of the working class, to make these powers effective, and to make them effective would be to ask the board to work for the increase of the wages of the rubber workers or the laborers who work in that particular industry. Stop.